guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm at the car wash with my daddy and I will be recording. So look at this. He is doing a massive job. And yes, I'm recording this with his phone. I usually record it on my phone, but today I just wanted to do it with his phone. Okay. Choker. I'm at the car wash. Gonna be listening. Watch him. Where's my car? Look at him. Look at all that soap right there. Soap got in the car. So mad. Look at my face. Now he's coming around. Now he's coming around. Now he's coming around. Here we come. Cause I got a country in the bag. And no man for anybody. And yes, this is my dad's iPhone. So, yeah. Soap got in the car. You see, guys? Water got in the car. That's because the door wasn't shut enough and the window was rolled down a bit. That was bad. So, turn you around. This is a test. So, don't fail. I'm just kidding, everyone. Sorry. I have a fart maker in here. I have a fart machine. It does not smell good. Dang, look at those bubbles. Oh, focused on the seatbelt. Look at them bubbles. Look at them bubbles. Look at them. 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 Oh. This is my security camera. Goodbye, dude. Okay, I gotta go get in the back, everyone. I recorded us because we're gonna go to the store. I think I'm gonna buy something. I don't know if I if I act good. That's what he said. So, guys, look at this. This is not good. We got water and soap in the car. Bad. Look at this, everyone. Well, we're just gonna be riding to the store. Riding. So just check it out. So I'm just riding right here. Ooh. If you want to see us go to Buc-ee's one day, just comment down below. Because we're a country family. We don't live in the country, but we live in Dallas. Wish we lived in Dallas, Texas. I'm a fan of Monster High. And country songs. Baby, lay on back and relax. Kick your pretty feet up on my dash. No need to go nowhere fast. Just enjoy right here with me, yeah. Who knows where school is supposed to lead? We got Daddy, I'm recording. I'm recording.
What?
Me.
Oh?
Me.
Scroll down to Sheba.
Gotta say, you can get a taste.
Seatbelt on?
Yeah.
What did you say? It's all the same like Mary Kate. You can get a taste. Let you get a taste. Do you love a taste? Yeah, that's cool, but he ain't like me. A lot of girls like me, wanna fight me. But your check like a check like now I see that's likely. Cause she gon' shoot me like a makeup ice. Chains on the neck for the whole team. And I feel like Gucci with the ice cream. And my with the Fenty, not the Maybelline.
Daddy,
Black
soap
J,
and water got in the
with
car.
green. Make it green.
Rub it in with your fingers.
What?
Rub it in with your hand.
Okay.
Lemon,
Oh, it's going away.
get out of that mean. Get a taste. What did you say? It's all the same like Mary Kate. You can get a taste. Let you get a taste.
Okay.
Yeah, that's cool.
I'ma put the drip on the plate. Yeah, I'm a nice place. Really crazy, but with the drink. Slow kiss in the rough, got the from base. Diamonds at the bar. You could get in hard. I'm representing hard. I'm at it on Mars. Shotgun shield, we gon' always hit the tar. Popcorn, big shell, popping at the car. Trip 34, I'm outside, try to park. You fuck, egg, provide. Make her get on top of me and ride me like a hard. She wanna keep me company and never want to bar. No bar, yeah. Bitch down in the parking lot. I don't kick it with you, cause they talk about you. Yeah. And I got the fight, don't make me spark it at you. Yeah. Keep it in my back pocket like it's a wallet. Like the way she suck it like a jelly. Stuck it up and put it with the whole project. And she got that paddock on water moccasin. I'm rich in real life, I get that profit copy.
Get a taste. Let you get a taste. Do you love a taste? Yeah, that's cool, but he ain't like me. LA, you can get a taste. Miami, you can get a taste. Oakland, you can get a taste. New York, do you love a taste? Chi-town, you can get a taste. Houston, you can get a taste. Portland, you can get a taste. Let them get a taste. She can get a taste. She can get a taste. Do you love a taste? Worldwide, they can get a taste.
California already got the best music, got the best artists on there. All the time.
Live, lit, and local.
K104.
DFW's hip hop and R&B.
Turn my headphone down a little bit. Yeah. 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 How much money you got? 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 A lot. How much money you got? A lot. How many problems you got? A lot. How many people that doubted? A lot. Left you out the rock? A lot. How many pray that you flop? A lot. How many lawyers you got? A lot. How many times you got shot? A lot. How many you shot? A lot. How many times did you ride? A lot. How many done died? A lot. How many times did you cheat? A lot. How many times did you lie? A lot. How many times did she leave? A lot. How many times did she cry? A lot. How many chances she done gave you? Run with these died?